Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Kuya Francis M. Salamat sa Ginoo sa lain nga adlaw yung gihatag kanato, no? Actually, right now I'm baklay-baklay ko kay sugot na pud tag palit ng pan, no? Last video I was doing a video palit ng pan, and again karon isugo na pud tag palit og pan. So nagkuha na po video lahat because I do believe there's always a blessing every day. The blessings of daily life, no? Sometimes we are so familiar of the kanang naanda na nato ba, pamilya na kay tanga, but to the point nga dito makapasalamat sa Ginoo, no? But again, it's always a wonderful day, another day to be thankful for. Now to God as always, no? So kumusta ang tanan? I hope that you continue to press on in life. Maybe you are experiencing problems today. Maybe you are in trials, in bad situations, no? My advice for you is to really number one, thank God for your life. Thank God for His goodness, His faithfulness. Number two is do not give up. Just press on, just continue, and continue to pray, continue to trust God. And number three is to believe in His promises. Continue to trust in His control. Nakabalota nga si Lord ang mas nakabalo sa tanan, no? So just pray that you will go through with life, just trusting God and His promises. So that's all for this morning. God bless you, and good morning, everyone.